Okay, here's a little help with tonight's homework. It's 2-7 word problems. All of these word problems are involving integer multiplication. So let's look at number one. Temperature. Suppose the temperature outside is dropping 3 degrees each hour. How much will the temperature drop in 8 hours? So anytime we have a word problem, we want to use a problem solving plan. So let's use UPS check. U is understand the problem. P is plan, how you're going to solve the problem. The S is solve the problem. And check is check your answer, check your work when you're done. So the temperature is dropping 3 degrees. That sounds like an integer, -3. -3 degrees. Each hour. So if we want to know how much the temperature will drop in 8 hours, it drops 3 degrees every hour. So we could add up -3 8 times. But remember, repeated addition is the same as multiplication. So I'm going to plan to solve this problem using integer multiplication. If the temperature drops 3 degrees every hour, -3 times 8 hours would equal -24. Remember, all you do for the numbers is just multiply normally and then apply the integer multiplication rules we learned in class. A negative times a positive is a negative. Or another way of saying that, if the signs are different, negative times positive, your answer will be negative. So then check your work. Does this seem reasonable? If the temperature dropped 3 degrees each hour in 8 hours, do you think it seems reasonable that it would have dropped 24 degrees? That seems about right. -3 every hour for 8 hours is the same as -3 times 8, so -24 would be the answer. So -24 degrees would be the change in temperature over 8 hours. But the way they worded the question, how much will the temperature drop in 8 hours, I think you could have 24 as your answer. 24 degrees also. As long as you recognize that the change in temperature is negative, since the temperature is dropping, -3 would represent that change in temperature. Hope that helped. The rest of the problems are very similar to that, so you should be in good shape for tonight's homework.